Today we've got Rob from Paslode. Hi Rob, good to see you. Rob's going to tell us why the Paslode fixings and tools are the best to use with the Weathertex product.
The tools I'd use for Weathertex products are the Paslode Straight Bradder. You would use the Paslode Straight Bradder for panels and the natural range. It fires a 50mm ND brad, stainless steel, specially made for external use. It has an adjustable depth of drive, and it also has the interchangeable ND nose plate, which suits the ND brads.
It's very important when using a brad that it is a 14 gauge. The ND50 is a 14 gauge nail. A lot of people make the mistake of using a 16 gauge. The 16 gauge has a smaller shaft and a smaller head. It's not recommended and not suitable for our product.
You'd be using your ND brads over the C series because the ND brads has a thicker shank and a better holding power.
If you're using a brad nail, it has to be stainless steel. There's no question about it. What can happen if you don't use a stainless steel brad is you can get rust marks, which will then run down the sheet.
To change the nose plate on the Straight Bradder is an easy job. First off, you lift the orange clip and then you lift it up and away from the tool. To put the ND brad or the silver plate in, nose plate, slide it in, hook it underneath and click it down. The difference between the C nose plate and the ND series nose plate is the colour. The tool comes fitted with the black coloured C series nose plate and is supplied with the silver coloured ND nose plate for the stainless steel 50mm brads. Safety equipment is important. You should always have hearing protection and eye protection before you fire the tool. To load the Paslode nail gun ready for use, it's a simple operation. The battery clicks into place. One is the ready position, one is the on position. Green light flashes. Your fuel goes in the end. Close the cover. And your brads are fitted in the back. ND brads, stainless steel. The follower comes through afterwards. It's a simple matter then of pressing against your material. To ensure you're using the right fixing, refer to the Paslode and Weathertex fixing matrix. For details on how you maintain your Paslode gun, just refer to the Paslode website. The reason why you'd use a Paslode impulse tool over pneumatic tools are because you have a better freedom. You can take the tool anywhere on site. You're not limited by dragging a hose around. There's no trip hazards. It's a much easier tool to use.
For more information about the Weathertex installation, visit our website. For Paslode's tools and fixings, you can go to their website.